Hey everyone, Ken Zwerdling here, founder and CEO of Global Expansion. I'm really excited to talk about this upcoming workshop, The Essentials of Successfully Navigating Your Job Search During the COVID-19 Coronavirus. This workshop's going to be on Thursday, July the 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern. But don't worry, if you can't make it, the workshop's going to be recorded and you can watch it for a week after the original air date. We put over 35 years of job search experience condensed into a 90-minute workshop. No sales pitches, just straight content. This workshop breaks down the entire process of finding a job into tiny, manageable steps that helps job seekers tell their entire story better. Find and apply to more job openings using a comprehensive approach, resumes, cover letters, job board registrations, customized alerts, creating an awesome LinkedIn profile, landing more interviews, getting more job offers, negotiating higher salaries, and best of all, finding a job in 90 days. So who's this workshop for? It's for those that maybe were recently laid off and they want to get back to work as soon as possible. It's for those whose resume is outdated and it's not telling your best story. For those whose LinkedIn profile is unprofessional, outdated, and not optimized. For those who don't know which job boards they should be on. Maybe you're not getting any job offers. You may be a recent college graduate or even a 35-year executive. You're sending out tons of resumes, not getting any interviews. You're not making it past the phone interview. You don't even know where to look for these job openings, where they're published. And maybe you don't even have the budget to hire a professional career coach. Yes, we do that too. You're not seeing enough positions to apply to. You're not taking a multifaceted, comprehensive approach. And maybe you don't even know just how to get started. So by the end of this workshop, you're going to be able to immediately transform your job search. Know exactly how to put together a comprehensive approach. You're going to save hundreds of hours of work in researching the best styles of resumes, cover letters, job board registrations. You're going to use tried and tested samples, examples, and templates. You're going to take the knowledge of a 35-year veteran in career and job search as an applicant, a hiring manager, and a global recruiter, and who's personally reviewed over 500,000 resumes and bios. You're going to be able to update your resume so it can be included in the top 5% of all applicants. You're going to know how to write a thorough and compelling professional summary. You'll learn how to precisely register your profile on all the major job boards. Set up daily alerts so the job openings, they come to you each day. You're going to see more jobs to apply to. You're going to learn how to line up more interviews. And you're going to be totally prepared for these interviews. You'll have a top-ranked LinkedIn profile. You'll be able to tell your story better, and you're going to find a job within 90 days. There are lots of workshops out there. This one is different. It's got exceptional level of detail in this content. 35 years of experience and results from over 100 one-on-one coaching sessions packed into this workshop. There's a strong focus on strategy and mechanics of a successful job search. Samples, templates, tips, tricks. We take a hands-on approach and we include it in this material in the workshop. Every module is packed with practical examples, providing all the necessary tools you need to manage your own job search. We've got a proven record of success. I've helped professionals in dozens of industries, from 30-year execs to recent college graduates in dozens of countries around the world. And best of all, this workshop contains no sales pitches, just straight, actionable content. So here's what's included in the workshop. Dozens of career and job search tips you can immediately implement. freedom to create your own comprehensive job search completely by yourself. Samples, templates, examples of each stage in the job search process. We help you get a job within 90 days. We give you PDF versions of all the slides. We insert 95 years of knowledge and experience into this presentation. You'll get a recorded audio and video of the slide presentation. You can listen on your mobile device. The value of this workshop is over $1,500. Now, we were originally charging only $147, but we've reduced it now to $97. That's right, $97. But we're also going to throw in some bonuses for you for free. We're going to include a 25-page job search survival guide, 100 accomplishment and actionable based keywords to include in your resume, sample LinkedIn headlines, 25 ways you can immediately jumpstart your job search, 10 tips for maximizing the job boards, how to get your resume to pass the 10-second test, the importance of using the right references, cover letters, do they really matter, sample interview, thank you, and follow-up notes. And we're going to have live Q&A by the hundreds of people in the workshop who are trying to address the problems that they're having in their current job search. So the course and all the bonuses, only $97. So click on any of the green buttons below to register and reserve your spot. I'll see you all at the workshop on the 23rd. Thank you.